G'day everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be making a kiradashi out of an old file. And just before we get into it, please remember to subscribe if you're not already. So I'm really trying to hit that 100 subscriber mark by the end of the year and hopefully do a giveaway. So please remember to subscribe if you aren't already. And if you already are, remember to like and leave your comment down below. Let's get into it. Okay, so that's it everyone. This is the final knife. I didn't really end up much like a Kiridashi. I was trying to get it, I wanted a fairly large, long edge like that. So I was trying to kind of offset it so that this handle would be coming out around there. Unfortunately, that didn't really work because the file was quite narrow, and it kind of left something that looks a bit more like a scalpel type of shape. Also, if you're wondering why there was one side that was completely ground and the other with only a short bevel, that's because this side is actually completely flat, and that means that since I'm right-handed, I can actually get very accurately up to the pencil line or point that I want to cut and clearly cut it like that, so I don't have to account for the bevel going underneath. Other than that, quite happy with it. Turned out quite nice, it's nice and hard. Not the most comfortable, but I don't think it really has to be. And other than that guys, as always, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.